Today, I'm going to teach you how to send and receive emails in ClickUp. This feature is incredibly useful because it allows you to manage your email communications directly within your project management workspace, keeping everything centralized and organized. First, open your browser and navigate to clickup.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're using the account where you want to set up email integration, as this will be linked directly to your workspace. After logging in, look to the upper right corner of your screen where you'll find your profile icon, click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will take you to your account configuration area where you can manage various features and integrations. Now, on the left side of the settings page, locate and click on Email Integration. This is the section where you'll connect your email account to ClickUp, enabling seamless communication between the two platforms. You'll now see several options for the type of account you want to sign in with. You can choose from Google, Microsoft, Exchange Server, or IMAP. For this tutorial, we'll be using Google, so go ahead and click on Google. This option is ideal if you're using Gmail or any Google Workspace email. A new window will appear prompting you to sign in to your Google account. Enter your email and password, then click Continue. Google will now ask you to grant ClickUp access to your email. When you see the permissions screen, select all the options to give ClickUp full access, then click Continue again. This step is essential because it allows ClickUp to both send and receive emails on your behalf. Now you'll need to wait a moment while the integration completes. This process usually takes just a few seconds, but depending on your connection, it might take a little longer. Be patient as the system establishes the link between your accounts. Once the integration is complete, you'll see a section labeled People that can send from this account. Here you need to choose which option suits your needs best. You might want to limit sending access to just yourself, or you might want to allow your entire team to send emails from this account. Select the option that works for you, then click Done. Now that your email is integrated, let's test it out. Navigate to your space and click on a specific task where you want to send an email. On the right side of the task view, you'll see a section where you can add comments and communications. Click on Comment, and then you'll notice an option labeled Email. Click on it to open the Email Composer. Now you can compose your email just like you would in any email client. Add the recipients you want to send the email to in the address field, type your message, and when you're ready, click the Send button. And there you have it. You've successfully set up email integration in ClickUp and sent your first email directly from a task. This integration streamlines your workflow by keeping all communications tied to specific tasks. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.